This is a railway that leads directly to the Nongfu Spring project. Although it's only 79 kilometers long, it has carried the travel needs of local people for decades. This is the Jinqian Line. As early as the 1930s, railways in Zhejiang province experienced rapid development, and the Jinhua to Langxi section of the Jinqian Line was among the first to be completed. However, due to the limitations of bridge construction technology at the time, the railway was unable to cross the Lanjiang River, and the project was also damaged during the war. What truly brought a turning point for the Jinqian Railway was the construction of the Xinanjiang hydropower station after the founding of New China. At that time, the whole country was in the midst of an industrial construction boom. In order to efficiently transport large quantities of equipment and materials to the hydropower station construction site, experts decided to make use of the existing Jinhua to Langxi Railway and extend it from Langxi all the way to the banks of the Jinan River. In 1956, the Railway Corps stationed in Shuchang and undertook the construction of the railway section from Langxi to Tongguan. In the spring of 1957, to transport sand and gravel materials, the railway was extended from Tongbu to Jiangkumbu, and this section was completed by the end of August that same year. In 1964, to solve the problem of transporting goods across the dam for Anhui Province and Chunan County, construction began on the final 7-kilometer section from Zhujiabu to the southern shore of Chandao Lake, and it was completed and opened to traffic in 1975. With this, the entire Jinqian Railway was fully connected. During the construction of the Xinanjiang hydropower station, this railway line also played an irreplaceable role. Train after train loaded with cement, steel, machinery, and other materials continuously traveled along the railway to the construction site. After the hydropower station was completed, the functions of the Jinqian Railway gradually became more diversified. Because the railway passed through Jiande and Chunan, local residents could use it to travel to Langxi, Jinhua, and even Hangzhou. Especially in the years when road transportation was still underdeveloped, trains, with their affordable ticket prices, provided people with an economical and convenient travel option. For many people from Jiande, born in the 1960s and 1970s, their first train ride was on this railway line. In addition, since one of the stops is close to Chandao Lake, many tourists could also use this railway to come and enjoy the beautiful scenery, injecting new vitality into the economic development of the areas along the route. However, with the rapid development of the times, the shortcomings of the Jinqian Railway soon became apparent. Because it had not been upgraded for many years, the line remained a single-track, non-electrified railway, and the expressway between Jiande and Hangzhou was also available for use. Therefore, starting from May 12, 2009, the Jinqian local passenger train, which had been running for half a century, ceased operation. From Langxi to Chandao Lake South Station serves no passengers. Currently, the Jinqian Railway only retains a pair of special trains, 8585 and 8586, between Jinhua and Langxi, which has become a unique site in the passenger service of the Jinqian Railway. While passenger services were being reduced, the freight function of the Jinqian Railway became increasingly prominent. In particular, for the Nongfu Spring production base, the Jinqian Railway has served as an important channel for transporting products, delivering cases of bottled water to all parts of the country. Objectively speaking, as an important part of Zhejiang's railway transportation network, the Jinqian Line has endured the passage of time and the suspension of passenger trains on some sections, but its historical achievements remain indelible. It once brought convenience to the travel of residents along the route, and today it continues to shine in the field of freight transport. We believe that in the future, this legendary branch railway will continue to contribute to local development on its new journey.